stylistically and ergonomically, this is going to be a sports roadster. It's got that stripped back, minimal, aggressive look, and it's inspired by our speed and street triple families. Now, the styling is quite clearly modern and fresh, but if you were to ask the average motorcyclist who designed the bike, I'm pretty sure that they'd know it was a Triumph. Now, what you can see here is the clear integration of the powertrain. As you've heard from Dear, Andrew and Trong, all the elements of the project have come together strongly, and we're well on the road to developing this electric Triumph prototype. Now, we're all looking forward to having a complete rideable bike, which we're expecting later in 2021. The project is all about developing a platform for Triumph's future electric motorcycles, hand in hand with the creation of the powertrain, battery and the infrastructure that makes this possible. Now, this is a groundbreaking collaboration between our 4 major UK industry and academic leaders to generate technological innovation for future electric motorcycles. So first, we have Williams Advanced Engineering, who are developing an all-new industry-leading lightweight battery design and integrated vehicle control unit. We have Integral Powertrain Limited's eDrive division, who are developing an all-new power-dense electric motor and a groundbreaking inverter. And WMG at the University of Warwick are bringing their expertise in modelling and simulation and driving innovation from R&D to commercial reality. And then at Triumph Motorcycles, we're leading the project, harnessing all of the innovative technology into a prototype machine, drawing on our electrical control system, chassis and driveline expertise to deliver an electric motorcycle that feels and performs like a Triumph without any compromise. Now, this is all with the support of the government's Office for Zero Emission Vehicles and Innovate UK, the government agency that promotes research and innovation to help grow the UK economy. So Jamie, this is the first part of our reveal today. It's the first physical prototype of the frame, the battery and the motor for the TE1 project, which I understand you're going to talk to the other partners about today.
WA's role has been focused on developing the state-of-the-art battery system that will set a new standard in performance, range and weight for electric motorcycles. In regards to the levels of power, torque and battery system integration, this will be unrivaled in the market. We see this as a unique project that will bring together the best of British technology, and we're very excited to be part of it. Looking at the features, we see that existing electric motorcycle technology means a performance level that is currently compromised at low levels of battery charge. But with our next generation new battery module technology, we intend to deliver a lightweight, compact solution to give the rider all of the performance, all of the time, regardless of battery charge, and importantly, class-leading range. We've really pushed the boundaries to reduce mass and optimize position within the frame to benefit handling. What's more, we've also pushed the limit of battery performance, balancing cell design for acceleration and range, with simulations based on track-based riding. In other words, as aggressive as possible. The casing is an integral part of the bike structure, which has huge benefits in terms of frame stiffness. Regarding the outcome, the energy density of this new battery is a quantum leap over existing technology, meaning it will give the rider more power and for longer.
Integral Powertrain's role in the TE1 project is to provide a bespoke, highly integrated motor and inverter for the TE1 prototype. And of course, we're working really closely with the chassis and powertrain design guys at Triumph to achieve just that. This will set new standards in terms of electric motorcycle efficiency, meaning a lighter weight overall and more performance and range. You can see the two main parts exploded here, with the silicon carbide inverter and motor control unit on the left, and the motor on the right, with a pint glass for scale. We're talking about a power unit that's incredibly small, but incredibly powerful. In regards to where we're at now, we've completed bench testing of the motor, which achieves almost 14 kilowatts per kilogram. And that's almost twice the target set by the UK Automotive Council for 2025. And to give you an equivalent to understand what this would mean, this is 180 horsepower from a motor that weighs 10 kilograms. Ultimately, this really is going to be industry-leading technology that will absolutely help define the future of electric motorcycles, starting with the TE1 project.
WMG is an academic department at the University of Warwick. We bridge the gap between academia and industry, driving innovation in science, technology, and engineering. Our role in the TE1 project is all about modeling and simulation of all the key systems together so that we can understand how they will work and respond in the real world. So we can fully test the integration of all these elements before a bike is physically built. Talking about progress and what we have done building up to this phase 2 review, we initially create simple computer models to ensure the right component selection. For example, like making sure the motor have enough power for the performance required and the battery have enough energy for the range.
Like all our motorcycles, we're looking to develop a Triumph that handles, performs, and delivers without compromise. A riding experience that a rider really wants and expects. With the chassis design, this is all about the handling and the dynamics, but it also encompasses how everything is packaged together in a way that delivers a riding experience that it's exciting, it's new, and yet it feels kind of familiar. With the powertrain and the battery interaction, this is going to deliver a new and an exciting feel. But our objective is to deliver that in a way which feels, kind of intuitive to the rider. We're achieving this through kind of cutting edge control systems and software development, but with safety really at the forefront. And of course, overall, with the styling, our objective here is not to develop something that is different for the sake of being different, but it's something that is desirable in its own right. And of course, it's got to have that distinctive Triumph DNA.